Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the splitter and source device. Make sure both have at least 20% battery so connections stay stable. Put the splitter into pairing mode using its dedicated button. A flashing LED usually confirms readiness. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and scan. Select the splitter name shown. Once paired, confirm audio routing from the source to the splitter. This step gets you a single active connection to manage multiple outputs later, so don't skip verifying the LED and device list. Once the splitter is paired to the source, you add outputs one at a time so the splitter can register each device. Put the first headphone or speaker into pairing mode, wait for confirmation, then repeat for the second device. Many splitters allow 2 simultaneous connections, while some support more in multi-audio mode. Make sure to switch the splitter to the correct output mode. If there's an app, use it for per-device volume balancing and latency adjustments. Doing this reduces dropouts and keeps sync between devices. You're almost done. Play audio and listen for synchronization across outputs. If one device lags, use the splitter's latency or sync setting to align them. If a device fails to connect, unpair it from both the source and splitter, then reinitiate pairing. A factory reset on the splitter often clears persistent issues. Finally, check for firmware updates to improve compatibility and stability. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio drops frequently, move devices closer and remove interfering Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth sources to test reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.